Good afternoon. This is Mrs. Boland, and we are reviewing for the exam coming up. This is exam 1 for college algebra, and we are on problem number 18. And number 18 says, solve the equation by factoring. So number 18, and it says solve the equation by factoring, and it's 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 6x equals 0. So in this case, let's notice that we have a common factor of 2 for each of the terms, and we also have x as a common factor of each of the terms. So let's factor out a 2x. So that leaves me right here x squared, and then right here I have plus 2x, and then right here I have negative 3, because 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times positive 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. So now all we have to do is factor out the quadratic in the center here. So we'll carry this on down, and we have 2x is going to be equal to, we'll put our parentheses down, x and x. Our factors of 3 are going to be 3 and 1. We have a negative sign in front of the 3, which means I have to have opposite signs of each factor. And I have a positive sign in the center, which tells me the larger of the two factors is going to be the positive. So I have a 3 and a 1 are my two factors. The larger of the two factors is a 3. So that means that gets my positive sign, and then the 1 gets my negative sign. So that is how we factor it. Now we're going to set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. So the first factor that we set to equal to 0 is our 2x. So we have 2x equals 0. Our second factor is x minus 1, and that equals 0. Our third factor is x plus 3, and that equals 0. We're going to solve for x in each case here. So here we get, therefore, x is equal to 0. Right here, we would just simply add 1 to both sides, and we get x is equal to 1. And here we would subtract 3 from both sides, and we get x is equal to negative 3. Therefore, x is equal to 0, 1, and negative 3. And that is how we would solve problem number 18. If you have any questions at all, send me an email. Thanks.